Welcome to the series of Renga lessons for beginners. Lesson 3, Renga styles. In this lesson we will study work with Renga style editors, the difference in working with the styles of various objects, the difference between styles and instances of objects. Renga provides users with tools for the rapid creation and editing of architectural, structural, and internal engineering system objects. All Renga objects can be created in under a minute thanks to the built-in Styles tool. To edit and create a new style of any model object, use the Manage Styles section on the primary panel. The Manage Styles menu consists object styles for architects and design engineers, as well as object styles of internal engineering systems, pipe systems, duct systems, and electrical systems. To practice, let's create a new window style in the relevant subsection Window Style Editor. For that, create a new style by clicking the New Window Style button. Set the new style name Facade Window. Window style defines appearance and filling proportions of a window. On the right of the window, add vertical and horizontal mullions. In order to add a mullion, left-click the window field. It will light up pink. Click the button or select in the context menu horizontal mullion or vertical mullion depending on how the window needs to be divided. Drag the mullion to the required position holding it with the left mouse button. To specify the location of the mullion relative to the window lining more precisely, select the mullion and enter the value of offset in % in the corresponding field. In order to divide the window once again, select the area into which the mullion needs to be placed by left-clicking in it. In order to imagine approximately what a window filling of the required proportions will look like, change the dialog box dimensions. To delete a mullion, click Delete Mullion. When a mullion is deleted, all the mullions and frames that are located in the area formed by it are deleted. In order to assign property for frame, do the following. Select the area to which you want to assign the type and orientation of the frame. Specify frame settings in the drop-down lists that open in the upper part of the window. The selected settings will be schematically displayed in the editor. If the frame properties are specified for the area, you cannot create mullions on it. Select the None frame type to change selected area. Next, on the Parameters tab, specify the construction material and other parameters for the lining and mullions. On the Properties tab, you may set values of properties, created in the Object Properties editor. How to work with object properties in Renga we will study in the next lesson Object Properties. Click OK. Now we place the created window in the model. On the Tools panel, click the Window tool and specify the window parameters. The window style may be applied to the window of any shape or size. So we need to define window aperture shape. Then we specify window height, window width, window arch height, level. It determines the window level. Vertical offset. It determines the vertical offset of a window relatively to the insertion point. Window style. Window position. If the window located along the wall, the window aperture follows the wall shape and allows to create radius windows. Reinforcement style. Reinforcement style applies for strengthening walls in the window aperture places. Mark. If the window style is defined, we can specify the following parameters. Presence of a window sill. Presence of a window outward sill. Window orientation. Window depth. Parameters may be modified both in the construction and editing processes. Press Enter to fix the parameter values. Finally, select where to install the window in the wall. All snaps and accurate construction are available for window construction. The Door tool works on the same principle. The style defines the appearance and filling proportions of the door. You can create a new style or edit an existing one by selecting the other option in the list of styles. The door style may be applied to the door of any shape or size. When placing the door in the model space, you must select the desired shape. Shapes of other Renga objects are only determined by their styles. For instance, when working with beams, only beam style defines the beam shape, its width and height. We placed several windows of the same style in the model. Thus we have 4 instances of window with the style facade window. As all 4 windows are of the same window style, they have the same parameters and properties specified when this style was created. If we need to indicate the difference between these 4 windows, we can do so in the properties of their instances. To do this, right-click on the window and go to its properties. Now let's fill the values of the available properties. For each window instance of the same window style, the property values may differ. This is the end of the 3rd lesson. To learn more, watch the video basic course. Lesson 4: Object Properties.